Okay, here is the retractable casters for my Craftsman table saw. This was all put together for under $20. I think it came out to about $16 or $17. I used 1x3 scraps that I had in the garage. Went out and bought 4 2-inch casters. They were $3 for a pair. And then 2-inch strap hinges. Those were $2.50 for 2 in a package. And I also got 4 5/16 by 1.5 inch carriage bolts where the boards were actually attached through the bottom of the table saw legs. Right now the casters are down so the table can be moved around. To retract these casters, all you do is lift up on the table and put the feet back like so, the casters. Same way on the other side. You lift it up, push them up. And there they go. Now it's down. You can't move it. To engage the casters, again, you just lift up, push the casters into place. Same on the other side. Lift up the end of the table. And there you go. As I said, the boards are 1x3 pine that I had laying around. The only issue is both boards needed a bevel. I put a 45-degree bevel so when the casters are brought back, they will fold all the way up. So, there's my table saw casters for under $20. If I can figure out how to do it, I will attach a parts list to this video later on.